My name is Anish Gavande. I study in Maharshi Dayananda College, affiliated to University of Mumbai. I stay in Mumbai city, and the title for my research project is to study the avian diversity in Mahim Bay, Mumbai. My mentor is Dr. Supriya Deshpande, Associate Professor of Zoology from Maharshi Dayananda College, Mumbai. Let's start by introduction. Now, many bird species are known to inhabit the urban Mumbai. Well, the area is home to many bird species. Now, birds are attracted to profoundly to Mahim Bay because it has rich benthic fauna and fish diversity, which ultimately acts as their food resource. Mahim Bay is considerably polluted due to few anthropogenic activities which is going on right now in Mumbai, and especially from the Mithi River outlet which is open in the Mahim Bay. Now, birds play an essential role in many ecosystems because they are fundamental parts of the food chain and food webs. Therefore, the present survey is conducted to prepare a checklist of birds observed at the Mahim Bay, and it is very important to obtain a baseline data of the avifaunal diversity over there. Study area we chose Mahim Bay profoundly, as I already said, that Mahim Bay is home to many bird species which are residents as well as migratory. Now, the present project area was from Worli Fort up to Bandra Sea Link, and the latitude and longitude of the sea coast is been mentioned in the research project. This area receives regular release of domestic sewage along with freshwater drainage from the Mithi River. Also, recently the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link was constructed over the Mahim Bay. So now we will see how all these factors and environmental factors affect its biota. Now, what are the materials and methods used for this research project? Now, this research project was conducted in two parts. First was the pilot survey, which was conducted from August 2018 to December 2018, and the final study was conducted from December 2018 to March 2019. So we covered an entire year to observe the birds which are already residing there and the birds which are winter visitors or migratory. The birds by we observed every fortnight, preferably on Sundays during low tide and high tide period, using 8x by 21x binocular by general survey method. The birds in that area were observed profoundly during low tide because as the water went apart from the shore, the birds used to come there for feeding purpose. These birds were identified using the Book of Indian Birds by Salim Ali 2002 and an Android mobile application called the Indian Birds version 3.0. Care was taken to avoid disturbance to any organism during the survey visits. The survey was undertaken at early mornings and sometimes evening for 2 to 3 hours. We used to walk from Worli Fort moving north towards Shivaji Park beach. This information regarding the birds, regarding migratory birds and the resident birds was also collected from regular visitors, local fishermen and residents. The list of birds observed during the visit is mentioned in the research paper. We categorically differentiated these bird species into resident and winter visitors and their status by common, very common, and occasional. These are images of the birds observed for reference purpose. The image source for these images is Google Image. Well, the present survey revealed that the Mahim Bay is inhabited by 25 different bird species belonging to 7 different families. We also observed that the shore water is inhabited by 25 different bird species, of which 12 are residents and 13 are migratory or winter visitors. Although the present survey was conducted for 8 months from August 18 to March 19, we observed that the Mahim Bay has rich and varied bird life. The conclusion for this research is that the present survey revealed that Mahim Bay harbors rich bird diversity. However, the anthropogenic activities like sewage disposal and religious rituals can have adverse effect on the environment of the Mahim Bay. Since most seabirds feed on rich benthic fauna and fishes, pollution may affect these food resources, impacting on the avian diversity in the Mahim Bay. Further studies are required to thoroughly understand the avian diversity in Mahim Bay and to create awareness among the general public and develop a conservation strategies. Bibliography includes the articles, books, and other reference materials used for the present research. Thank you.